Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time, but I felt the need that I should be there, and there are a lot of people who need you. So, first of all, wishing you all a very, very, very happy new year. I hope this new year comes with a lot of aspirations, lot of new dreams, and lot of good opportunities for everyone. And you all learn a lot from your past experiences and give your best in this coming new year. So there was a lot of realizations which I had to share, and I guess when you don't have anyone, and I love talking to myself, so I said why not share it with each one of you, right? So personally, I guess for me, I'm not specifically a very big kind of an activist or social activist or a person who goes on doing activist like and promoting things and stuff. But I guess the way you deal with your own life and the way you grow yourself, and if people are able to learn from it, and people are able to learn from your experiences and the way you deal with your own life, that's the best way you can ever, be a good teacher to anyone, right? Just implement it in your life, and I guess if others are able to learn from it, I guess that's the best, I'll say, a giveaway for anyone, right? So I guess I don't know if everybody can relate with me or not, but this past year, like year 2021, came with a lot of highs and lows in my life, and there were so many losses as well on personal front, and even on the professional front there were a lot of things that happened. So, but I guess with each every day, there were times wherein I could never come up with a solution. I mean, I'm a person who definitely comes up with a solution every time, but for the very first time in my year, I did not come up with an instant solution. There have been days wherein obviously we all feel really low and we are not able to come up with a solution. And I'll tell you guys, when we are actually experiencing those times, it feels really normal. But you know that on the onset, there's something which is bothering you inside, and that is a time wherein we feel, there's that some things. I mean, wherein we are not able to come up with a solution. So, but to all those people who have been going through this and who haven't been able to come up with the solution, there's only one thing which I can say to each one of you, that just hold on to yourself. Just hold on to yourself. I mean, there will be days when you will definitely get a solution, and you will uh, in a click you will be able to improve everything around you. But there will be days when you won't get any kind of solution, and it's absolutely fine, because see, finally we are humans, and see, there will be your family, there will be your friends, but nobody is there for you 24/7, right? And everybody are still, they are humans, everybody is busy in their own lives, and it's impossible for someone to be there for you 24 into 7. Even the person who you love the most, I guess even they won't be present 24/7 for you, right? But the person, someone who will be there with you will be, if you guys believe in God, or believe that there's an energy which is there for you, and in whatever form you feel or are connected, so stay connected to that. Don't lose in hope. And with every passing day, I guess, just feel that after a very dark night comes a bright day with big sun rays which illuminates every place. And this is the how life works. I mean, life will come with its own highs and lows. There will be days wherein you will be really happy, and there'll be moments that will be the best moments of your life. And then there will be days wherein you will have some kind of failures on professional front, or some losses on your personal front. And that's how life is, right? I guess a mature person is one who realizes that a life is like a big roller coaster which will come with it come with its own highs and lows, and a mature person is one who will stay strong within and will learn to surf through all these uh, adventures, highs and lows which happen in your life. So stay strong, stay, don't lose hope, be motivated. um, we sometimes tend to feel low by comparing ourselves with other people and the lit life which they are living. But I'll tell you guys, social media is a very big scam, a very big scam. There was a comment which Rihanna gave to one of the interviews, and she said, on the days she doesn't feel really good, other days when she pretends. So there are thousands of people out there on social media who are pretending on the days even when they are not good, and people also, there are very few people who really wish to open up about their own kind of vulnerabilities. And I guess it's absolutely fine, right? Rather than making a fun of your vulnerabilities, if you find one genuine person to share it with, and even if you don't come up with the solutions, talk to your friends, talk to your family members. It's not really important that you will always come up with the solution, but you will definitely hold on to yourself, and you will definitely, we all will have that hope that one day that thing is gonna get over. So, and I guess all the people who have crossed my age and who are obviously elder to me will completely relate with me that being mature is when you realize that life will have its own ups and downs, and the one who learns to surf through it is a successful person, and is the one who has won the battle of this life. So wishing you all a very 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 happy new year. Nothing is difficult, just hold on to yourself, don't lose hope, and don't underestimate yourself. Love yourself, that's really really important. So wishing you a very happy new year. Take care. I hope this year brings great aspirations and great dreams, and all your dreams come true, and all you get good opportunities in this year. So wishing you luck and best of luck, and lots of love from Codes with Sid. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye bye.